Let's get this mic in here. Let's see if the sound is good. Sound should be good. Sound should be good. Okay. Just in, guys. Breaking news. Jury came back after 2.5 days, have proven their defense, and Blac Chyna has lost her case in its totality. There you have it. Blac Chyna has lost the case. She will now be on the hook for millions and millions of dollars in legal fees, absent of the Kardashians saying, girl, you don't got to pay that bill. But I don't think so. Yeah. The jury's reached a decision. And the Kardashians did not show up to the reading of the verdict because they're at the Met Gala with Cardi. Well, not exactly with Cardi, but, Cardi's at the Met Gala. It's happening now, but the Kardashians is not on the hook for $100 million, $50 million, anything. Zilch. They won the case. And this is a devastating blow. This obviously is a devastating blow for Blac Chyna because she lost the initial defamation case. Well, the judge dismissed the initial defamation case against Kim Kardashian last Friday. And then today, the jury, after days of deliberation, have decided that Blac Chyna hasn't proven her case. The thing about taking people to court, you don't know what the outcome is. You don't know what the outcome will be. And if you don't have the resources, then obviously you're not going to get the best defense. Blac Chyna had to go up against several attorneys that represent each party in the case. So this was, I can call it now. I didn't see this case coming out any other way. I saw that it could have been a mistrial, but I didn't see her prevailing in this case because there was a mountain of evidence that was against her. I mean, the jury heard guns being put to Rob Kardashian's head. Him getting on the stand was the most powerful testimony. He's actually testifying that the things that was said, that was done to him by his family members, he corroborated it, and he also added that it wasn't just one time that it was a gun, like a gun situation involved. And the jury probably went home and decided, slept on it, and said, "Hey, if that was my family member, I would have moved mountains to separate myself from that situation." And that's basically what happened. The jury looked at everything in its totality, and they reached a unanimous decision. The question is, will Blac Chyna appeal this? Well, here's the problem with that process. It's very expensive. And, I mean, I personally think at this point they should just, leave it alone. I mean, people have to understand appeals are very expensive. And then what attorney at this point is going to take on an appeal case like that? What attorney? So those who are joining in, the jury has decided that Blac Chyna has not made a case. The Kardashians prevailed. The jury decided with the Kardashians, and like I was saying, that no reasonable jury can listen to all that evidence and not side with the Kardashians. The question is, for some people, they feel the judge, it's always, when you look at these cases, there's always someone going to question the judge, the lawyers, but at the end of the day, you have to look at the testimony. The testimony is what it is. The testimony is what it is. When Blac Chyna asked for a do-over, I knew that the case was in trouble. You ask for a do-over during the trial, the judge is not going to then instruct the jury, hey, forget everything you heard. The plaintiff was triggered by some photos, and I think you guys should just go ahead and, you know, unhear what was heard. And that wasn't going to happen. So there you have it. Blac Chyna's lost the case. The Kardashians has prevailed. They are in New York City right now at the gala, at the Met Gala, celebrating. Yeah, I guess everyone's celebrating now, and they're going to, you know, this is not everyone from the Kardashian clan. Everyone heard testimony from members of the family. Corey Gamble gave testimony. Was it Corey Gamble's testimony that swayed the jury? Do you think it was Corey Gamble's testimony that swayed the jury? Or do you think it was Blac Chyna's testimony that swayed the jury? Or Kris Jenner? Or Rob Kardashian? Or Kim Kardashian? Or Kylie Jenner? Who do you think swayed the jury? I think it was everything in its totality. And, I mean, this is what it is at this point. The case is over. Will she appeal? Who knows? But Blac Chyna's lost the case. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you tuning in. Now I'm on to the next case. See Johnny Depp, see Amber Heard soon. Let me read some of these questions. I see everything coming in. Let's see.